Hey guys, it's AxiomaticUncertainty here, and today I'm going to be doing the derivative, or the value of I to the I power, and also the ith root of I. Right, so we will be finding both of these values. So this is the fastest method that I've seen, and the way that I'm going to do this, right, is just realize that 1 I squared equals -1, right, and 2, so this is going to be 1, right, and 2, that e to the I pi is also equal to -1, right, and so I can set up a system here, right, so we're going to just set up a system, and this is going to just be that I squared, right, if we were to substitute for the -1, is equal to e to the I pi, right? Okay, so now we have that. We have a nice little relationship between e to the I pi and I squared, right? And so now what we can do is just an interesting little step, and we can raise it, right? Raise it to the power of I. And so what we're going to have then is I to the 2I equals e to the I squared, e to the I squared pi. And I apologize for using paint this time. I'm going to use a whiteboard in the future once I can get that all set up. E to the I pi, or e to the I squared pi, which is equal to e to the negative pi, because I squared is -1, right? And so now what we can do is we can just take this one step further. We can take the square root on either side. We're going to end up with I, right, to the I equals e to the negative pi over 2, right? And there you go. That is our first one. And now we can just switch to red for this one, this next one. And what we're going to do, right, is we're just going to do some really quick stuff here where wherein we're just going to first multiply in it, or 1 over I squared, right? And essentially we're going to do that on either side, and we're going to end up fixing this whole thing. So what we can do, right, is then multiply in, or actually put in an exponent of 1 divided by I squared, which you have to realize is -1 on either side. And essentially what we do here then is we get I to the, let's make this one green just for, you know, clarity's sake, I over I squared. And we can cancel this and leave ourselves with 1. And then this is equal to e to the -1, or negative pi over 2, which is e to the I squared, as we saw earlier, pi divided by 2 I squared, right? So those two will cancel, and we'll be left with I to the 1 over I equals e to the pi over 2, right? And as you know, I to the 1 over I is the ith root of I. And another interesting extension of that is then that I to the I plus 1 over I power is equal to 1. Right, so that's just pretty neat little nugget of truth there. But anyhow, we've solved for both of those in just under 5 minutes, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please leave a like if you enjoyed this. Please remember to share and subscribe. Like, again, if you enjoyed the video. If you want to see future content, you know, like this, or just in general. So, yeah. Also, comment if you have any suggestions for future videos. And, you know, if you have any questions, concerns, you know, or if you have any, you know, compliments, criticisms, anything, just, you know, give me your thoughts. And remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. So, yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this, as I already said. And thank you for watching.